have photos sitting that you need to get into books? Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you a couple of mini albums that are perfect to put in your photos. Let me take you one at a time, and I'm just going to do walkthrough on these pretty quickly. These albums are 7 by 7 with about a 2¼ inch spine. The pages are 6¼ by 6¼ so it fit my 6 by 6 paper, but it still gives you a lot of room to put photos in. So let me go through it. This one is happy. It's got a lot of sort of collaging on the front. There's a star, there's a heart, there's just a little bow tied, a couple of banners, and then some red little touch of glitter. Inside we have a belly band going up and down, and that gives you a photo mat. The photo mat is 6 by a little bigger than 6 by 6, so you can put your 6 by 6 photos on there, so you can get 2 on that page. Here is some more collaging. We have a base, there's a little swirl there, a heart, a star, and in the pocket is a smaller photo mat. This one is 5½ by 5½, so you can't put your 4 by 6 photo, but you can cut it down and put it in there. Now these are hidden pocket pages, so inside each page you have a 5½ by 5½ photo mat. And as I said, they are hidden inside. You can see the circle pull on that. On this side, more collaging, room to put photos and or journaling. Lots of glitter in this corner. It's real pretty. You should know that you are charming, adorable, and ever so sweet. So that gives you room here on the back to do a little bit of journaling and room to put your 4 by 6 picture on, or a couple of 4 by 4s or 3 by 3s. And there's the hidden photo mat. Oops, this goes like this. There's another pocket here, some collaging. And here we go, room to journal. This has a pretty image of an old-fashioned camera in there with a little bit of that red glitter. And there is our pretty photo mat. Another pocket, and this has a bird cage with a little bread in there just to add a touch. So here we have another spot to add your photos. Now if you wanted to journal on here, if you wanted to have corresponding journaling, just write it on a piece of paper and add it on there. There is photo mat. I don't know if you can see, but in between all these circles is just a little dot of that red glitter. It's not an overpowering glitter, it's pretty. Here's your photo mat, pretty page, and that sort of corresponds with that. I love how that goes together. And you can tuck your photo underneath there. And there's our photo mat. And on the back page, this is open, gives you room to put your photo. And on the inside back cover, we have the circle closure, and inside the pocket is a good size folder. Oops, so that measures 6 1/8 by 6 1/8, so you could still put your 6 by 6 photos there. Go ahead and close that real quick. Love the image, that's so pretty. Sort of shabby chic. There's the back. There's the spine, and there we go. Now let me show you another one. Now you're going to notice that these are similar. They're done with the same paper, but the style's a little different. So there's some room to add your photo. This is 6 inches tall and 4¼ wide. So you could put your 4 by 6 photo, or you could cut down some photos. So this comes down like that and gives you room to journal and add your photo. And this is a top loading pocket with a good size photo mat. The photo mat actually, oops, is 5.5 by 6.25. So that goes in there. Now this one has a clock hand or game piece as a closure. You just rotate that. Oops, I didn't mean to put that in there. I'll leave that out. But anyhow, that is room to put your pictures. This one will come up like that, and then over, and then down like that. Oh, love it. And there is our photo mat. This one has lots of, oh, can you imagine if you had cute little photos? You could put those on there, and then there's room for a big photo. This bird cage is magnetized, which holds this together. So that goes like that, and then this is a belly band that has a photo mat in it. And then here is our top loading pocket. Here we have that game piece again. That'll come down. That'll come like that. Here's an extra piece to journal on. And of course you can add your photos here, but if you wanted to journal onto the dark paper, you would just need to grab a white gel pen. And then on this page, this will come down. That will open like that. That will open like that, giving you room to journal and lots of room for extra photos. And here we've got our little game pieces. They'll just rotate. And that gives you just a cute little spot to add some small pictures, tickets, or maybe spots for journaling. I love all those touches. And this again will open. And this is a belly band, so there is a little photo mat to add your pictures, and there is the larger photo mat in the back. And on the back page, we've got just a side loading pocket with a photo mat. And lots of room on the back to journal or add pictures. There is the back cover, the back spine, and there we are back at the front. I have one more to show you. Okay, so same style, but this one has the Eiffel Tower. We still have a little touch of red glitter. Again, it's not in your face glitter. I could see getting a photo of, let's say you go travel with a companion, just put the photo, the two of you here, or even a film strip of a couple of pictures of you guys there. Now this cover, oh, this actually was the same. So that'll open like that, and that'll open like that, so you can add more introductory photos. Again, room to put pictures there. This one will open. It comes down. Here is the clock piece that'll open. The top loading photo mat. This will go up, that'll go to the side, and that'll come down. There's our photo mat. Room to put little pictures. Here's the little bird cage again. And this one will open like this. That'll open like that. These will open like that. And then we'll swivel that. And room here for little pictures or a little journal spot or tickets again, whatever. There's our little belly band. That'll open like that. And here is our little side loading pocket in the back and room to put photos. So like I said, just a quick little project share. Now these are available right now in my Etsy shop. Go ahead and check them out. I'll put the link for all three of them in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day.